Hey yo, welcome back, Tank Top Cooking. This is what you're gonna need. Let's hop over. You can grab yourself some all-purpose flour, some milk, some shells, pie shells, 9-inch shells. One or two would do the trick on this here. Okay, right on. Get yourself some ham. Some bacon would be good too, but you know what? I'm just gonna go with ham. Okay, right on. Okay, man. Okay. Optional, but man, I love mushrooms. Right on. So we're going with some mushrooms, organic, gourmet blend. Okay, cool. Right on. Grab yourself some cheese. Swiss cheese is kind of what you're going after here. Grab yourself an onion. Doesn't matter. I'm going with one of those those purple onions, man. Right on. Good stuff. Cool. Right on. Okay, cool. Grab yourself some green onions, optional, but man, they're gonna be awesome. Okay, grab yourself about 3 or 4 eggs. Okay, and then maybe some paprika, some crushed red pepper, some black pepper, a little bit of salt. Hey, you know what? I was looking for mustard powder, and you know what? I couldn't find any, so I'm gonna just use a little dash of prepared mustard. Why not? Hey, right on. Good stuff. Okay, cool. Right on. So that's kind of what we need. Oh yeah, man, I almost forgot. Grab yourself some parsley flakes, man. Okay, man, grab yourself a bowl, a teaspoon, and you know what, man? A measuring cup. Okay, right on. That Swiss cheese there, you're going after about 1.5 cups. Throw that in your medium bowl there. Okay, and then we're going after, oh geez, man, about 4 teaspoons. That all-purpose flour. So I'm gonna say that's about 1.5. Oh yeah, that looks like 4 there. Right on. Okay, let's just add in just a smidgen more. All right, and then just kind of mix that up. Just mix it all up. You're nice to mix that cheese and the flour. Grab those pie shells, man. And just take your cheese and that all-purpose flour, just put that in there in your pie shell. Grab that ham, whatever kind you want here. You know, we're just going with some regular good old ham. And what you're going after here, is about 1/2 cup. Okay, so that's about 1/2 cup there, I'm going to say. And then just kind of put that right over top of your cheese. You know what? I've seen some guys do this with bacon. And, you know, I was thinking about doing that. But I am just going to go with I don't know, a boatload of ham on top. Grab those eggs. 3 eggs, maybe 4. And just crack them up. Okay, guys, I'm mixing it up here because, you know, why not? Okay, I'm actually going to do this a little bit different. I'm going to throw in 1/2 cup of sour cream, 1/2 cup of milk, but I would say go with a cup of milk, or you do as I'm doing. And I'm going 1/2 cup milk, 1/2 cup sour cream. Boom. Okay, now I'm taking about some mushrooms and just toss them over the top of the ham too. And you know what? I decided I'm going to skip on that onion that I was talking about. Okay, right on. But we are not cheating with the green onions. We're throwing on a little bit of green onions over the top. Not too crazy. Probably, I don't know, about 3 or 4 good green onions. Right on. Good stuff. And then just get those eggs and milk. Just kind of, whisk them up. Just a dash of paprika here. Okay? Just a little bit. You know what? You could throw this in over, but I'm just going to toss it in. We're just going to throw some parsley flakes in there. Okay, and you probably want to go maybe oh, about a teaspoon-ish or so, maybe about that. Jeez. Like Rubik's Cube trying to open this. Okay, cool. So yeah, about a teaspoon of parsley flakes. Okay. Just mix that all up. Okay, right on. And then just take your egg mixture that we were working on there. Cover that over the ham. You could use a little bacon with this too, but you know what? This is where we're going. Okay. Let's toss that over the top. And then, boom. We're almost ready, man. Okay. Now, hey, tip for you. You can actually freeze this and save them for later here. And what you'd want to do is put a little, you know, saran wrap around and then a little foil, and then freeze it up, and then just, you know, get her going when you're ready. All right, and then yeah, just preheat your oven to 400. All right, pop that quiche in 400 for, oh geez, about an hour. You'll see it'll kind of get golden brown, and you know, keep an eye on it and whatnot. And yeah, that's how you do quiche, man. Oh yeah, look at that. That's delicious. You see, guys? Okay, it's nice brown like that. I think that's when it's done. So I'm going to pull it out and we're going to in. All right. That was 60 minutes. Oh yes. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, would you look at that. There you go, guys. Eggs, ham. So if you're confused, this is a good one. Even a little pastry, man. Right on. Let's see how it tastes. This is good, man. I'm gonna try it with bacon too. But yeah, no, the ham, it's good. It's like classic quiche, man. Right on. Thanks for coming back, checking out another edition of Tank Top Cooking, man. You know, one slice 3 times a week sometimes. Well, I don't know, man. Once a week here, man. You guys just kind of stay tuned, hit that notification bell, subscribe here, because that's what you're going to have to do, man, because I can't keep track of stuff for you. Be cool, keep calm, and right on.